High in the Himalayas, amidst the snow-capped peaks and pristine air, resided a revered guru known as Bhagavan Sri. His wisdom, like the ancient mountains themselves, stood the test of time, drawing seekers from far and wide. One day, a young man named Vikram, burdened by low energy and a lack of zest for life, approached the guru. Vikram confessed his struggles, his voice heavy with despair. Bhagavan Sri listened with serene compassion. He placed a gentle hand on Vikram's shoulder and spoke of a secret passed down through generations, the knowledge of preserving and enhancing one's vital essence, known in Ayurveda as ojas. This essence, he explained, was the very foundation of vitality, strength, and spiritual radiance. Vikram listened intently, his hopes rekindled. The guru's words resonated deep within him, awakening a longing for the vitality he had lost. Bhagavan Sri smiled, a knowing twinkle in his eye, and began to share the ancient Ayurvedic wisdom that had been passed down through countless generations. He spoke of the sacred fluids that flowed within, carrying the very essence of life itself. In the realm of Ayurveda, the guru began, his voice resonating with ancient wisdom. Semen is considered a vital life force, a distillation of your physical and spiritual energy. He explained that this potent essence, far from being merely a reproductive fluid, held the very keys to strength, vitality, and spiritual growth. Ayurveda, the ancient Indian system of holistic medicine, views semen as a precious substance directly linked to ojas. Ojas, often translated as vigor or vitality, represents the body's essential energy reserve, responsible for immunity, physical strength, mental clarity, and overall well-being. Semen, according to Ayurveda, is not just a physical fluid, but a concentrated form of prana, the vital life force that animates all living beings. It is believed to be the physical manifestation of creative potential, willpower, and spiritual energy. Bhagavan Sri went on to explain that while the creation of new life was a sacred act, excessive loss of semen could deplete this vital essence, leading to a decline in physical and mental well-being. He spoke of how modern life, with its stresses and distractions, often led to an imbalance in this area. This imbalance, he cautioned, could manifest as fatigue, weakness, low libido, brain fog, lack of motivation, and even a weakened immune system. The guru emphasized that while sexual activity was a natural and beautiful part of life, it was essential to approach it with awareness and respect for the potent energy involved. Vikram listened with growing concern, recognizing in the guru's words a reflection of his own experiences. He had always thought of semen as simply a reproductive fluid, unaware of its profound connection to his overall health and vitality. The guru's teachings were eye-opening, revealing a level of understanding he had never before considered. There is an ancient recipe, Bhagavan Sri revealed, his eyes twinkling, a combination of nature's most potent ingredients, carefully crafted to replenish and revitalize your vital essence. He leaned forward, sharing the sacred formula passed down through generations, a blend of milk, almonds, dates, ghee, and honey. Each ingredient, the guru explained, held a specific purpose, working in synergy to restore and enhance ojas. Milk, considered a sattvic food in Ayurveda, nourishes the tissues and calms the mind. Almonds, rich in healthy fats and protein, provide grounding energy and support brain function. Dates, brimming with natural sugars, offer instant energy and replenish vitality. Ghee, clarified butter prized for its medicinal properties, lubricates the tissues and enhances nutrient absorption. Finally, honey, revered for its healing properties, acts as a rasayana, a rejuvenating tonic that promotes longevity. Section 5. Crafting Vitality, a step-by-step guide. Bhagavan Sri, with a gentle smile, proceeded to share the precise method of preparing this potent elixir. He emphasized the importance of intention, of infusing the process with a sincere desire for healing and revitalization. First, begin by warming a cup of organic, full-fat milk in a saucepan. Avoid boiling, as this can destroy its delicate nutrients. While the milk warms, finely chop or grind a handful of almonds, about 10 to 12, and remove the pits from 3 to 4 dates. Once the milk is warm, Add the chopped almonds, pitted dates, a teaspoon of organic ghee, and a teaspoon of raw honey. Stir gently, allowing the flavors to meld and infuse the milk with their potency. Remove from heat and pour into a cup, sipping slowly and mindfully, savoring the nourishing essence of each ingredient. This revitalizing tonic, the guru advised, was best consumed before bedtime, allowing its nourishing properties to work their magic overnight. He stressed the importance of consistency, suggesting that Vikram incorporate this practice into his daily routine for optimal results. Section 6. The Alchemy of Diet and Lifestyle. The guru emphasized that while the elixir was potent, it was most effective when combined with a holistic approach to well-being. He spoke of the importance of a sattvic diet, rich in fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and nourishing proteins. He advised Vikram to favor foods that enhanced ojas, such as milk, ghee, dates, almonds, avocados, sweet potatoes, and leafy greens. He also recommended minimizing processed foods, refined sugars, caffeine, and alcohol, as these could deplete vital energy. In addition to diet, Bhagavan Sri stressed the importance of managing stress through practices like meditation, yoga, and spending time in nature. He encouraged Vikram to engage in activities that brought him joy and nurtured his spirit. Section 7. The Power of Rest and Rejuvenation. Recognizing the demands of modern life, Bhagavan Sri also emphasized the importance of rest and rejuvenation. He explained that just as nature followed a rhythm of activity and repose, so too did the human body require adequate sleep to repair and rebuild. He advised Vikram to establish a regular sleep schedule, aiming for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. He also recommended incorporating practices like gentle yoga, deep breathing exercises, and spending time in nature to calm the mind and promote restful sleep. The guru stressed that by prioritizing rest and rejuvenation, Vikram would be creating the optimal conditions for his body to heal, restore, and rebuild its vital essence. Section 8. The Journey of Restoration. Bhagavan Sri reminded Vikram that the journey to restoring vitality was a gradual process, like a seed slowly blossoming into a flower. Patience, consistency, and self-compassion were key, he emphasized. He encouraged Vikram to approach the process with a spirit of gentle inquiry, paying attention to the subtle shifts in his energy levels, mood, and overall well-being. He reminded him that true healing involved not just the physical body, but also the mind and spirit. The guru's words instilled in Vikram a sense of hope and empowerment. He realized that he had the power to reclaim his vitality, to nourish his body and spirit from within. He left the mountaintop that day feeling lighter, brighter, and filled with a newfound determination to embrace the ancient wisdom that had been shared with him. Section 9. Reclaiming Your Birthright. The ancient Ayurvedic recipe for strength and vitality, passed down through generations, is more than just a physical remedy. It is a reminder of the sacred wisdom that resides within each of us. By honoring our bodies as temples, nourishing ourselves with wholesome foods, prioritizing rest, and managing stress, we unlock our innate healing potential. The 5-ingredient elixir, with its potent blend of milk, almonds, dates, ghee, and honey, serves as a tangible symbol of this ancient wisdom. It reminds us that nature provides everything we need to thrive, to experience vibrant health and radiant vitality. As you embark on your own journey of restoration, remember that you are not alone. The wisdom of Ayurveda, passed down through countless generations, is here to guide and support you. Embrace this ancient knowledge, nourish your body, mind, and spirit, and reclaim the vitality that is your birthright. The path to radiant health and well-being awaits.